In front of me is TECNO Spark 20C, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all your downloads. First of all, you need to find an app called Files. When you find it, click on it. If you never used it before, select Continue and then Allow. Now you need to tap on Browse at the bottom in the middle, and last but not least, access Downloads category. As you can see, all my downloaded files are over here. To access one, click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!